Mark at least 7.5 centimeters from the vertex. Thoroughly stir the Rollgum Primer before each use during installation. Spread the primer evenly, extending beyond the marks. Transfer the measurement to the Rollgum Form uncured strip. Cut with scissors and round off the corners. Allow it to dry and check for readiness. Remove the protection film and then adhere the Rollgum Form self-adhesive strip in its position. Apply pressure with the system roller across the entire surface. Press the contours with the detail roller. Apply a bead of Bond 007 sealant along all edges.